Within the European framework, financial institutions apply the Common Reporting Standard and the DAC directives to exchange financial data annually with the taxpayer's country of tax residence, including balances, returns, and certain types of income from financial instruments. In this context, the International Law Firm ICAA assists entrepreneurs and individuals involved in tax audits based on data transmitted from one country to another, operating with an integrated approach across various European and non-European jurisdictions. European banks and intermediaries identify the tax residence of account holders and transmit each year to the authorities personal data, account number, balance or value at the end of the year, interest, dividends, gross proceeds and increases, as well as information on certain redeemable value insurance policies according to the CRS DAC 2 standard. For passive entities, the effective ownership of controlling persons is also reported in line with anti-money laundering regulations in the European Union. European tax authorities use automatic exchange to check the information received from intermediaries against the tax returns of resident taxpayers, identifying discrepancies between reported balances, financial income, and what is declared for tax purposes. This framework strengthens administrative cooperation between member states and consolidates targeted tools for verifying activities and financial income held abroad. Starting from January 1, 2026, with DAC 8 and the update to CRS 2.0, the scope of exchange will be extended to crypto assets. Providers will be required to collect, verify, and annually share information on their users' transactions and holdings with the country of tax residence. The changes introduced by CRS 2.0 also include e-money and additional due diligence reporting fields, with initial communications in 2026 and filing deadlines in 2027 across various European jurisdictions. ICAA analyzes the flows according to CRS and DAC regulations received from the authorities, checks the accuracy and completeness of the data, and prepares evidentiary documentation to protect the European taxpayer during inspections and audits. The firm intervenes to resolve discrepancies, negotiate favorable outcomes where provided for by national regulations, and prepare defenses even in cases of criminal tax findings, demonstrating absence of intent or good faith. If you have received communications or requests based on data exchanged through CRS, or if you operate with accounts, investments, or crypto assets in multiple countries, request a confidential consultation with ICAA to develop a coordinated compliance and defense strategy within the European context. Acting proactively today reduces risks, penalties, and costs tomorrow, especially in light of the upcoming implementation of DAC 8 and CRS 2.0 starting in 2026.